Greetings, health enthusiasts, and welcome to Nourish Your DNA. Our mission is to unlock the secrets of your genetic blueprint, exploring how DNA and essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids play a pivotal role in maintaining health and youthfulness. Together, we'll delve into the fascinating world of genetic science, revealing how you can harness your body's own biological processes to look and feel younger. So gear up as we embark on this intriguing journey. Stay tuned to learn more about the magic hidden within your DNA. What if we told you that the secret to your health and youth lies within each cell of your body? Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve into the microscopic world of DNA, the master molecule that holds the blueprint for life. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid if we want to be formal, is a molecule that carries the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all known living organisms and many viruses. Think of it as the architect of your body, drawing up the plans that dictate how each of your trillions of cells should be constructed and function. You see, your body is essentially a bustling city of cells. Each cell, like a tiny factory, performs specific tasks. But how does each cell know what job it's supposed to do? That's where DNA comes in. DNA provides the instructions, the blueprint, if you will, that guides each cell's function. And just as a city thrives when all its parts work in harmony, your body is at its healthiest when every cell is performing its function correctly. This harmony is the foundation of your health and youth. So, how does DNA contribute to your youthfulness? Well, DNA codes for proteins, and proteins play a pivotal role in virtually every biological process in your body. They help repair damage to your body, fight off infections, and even influence how quickly you age. And here's the fascinating part. Your DNA isn't set in stone. It can be influenced by your environment, your diet, your stress levels, and much more. That's right, the decisions you make every day can directly impact your DNA and in turn your health and youthfulness. In the grand scheme of life, DNA is the silent orchestrator, conducting the symphony of biological processes that keep you healthy and young. It's a complex, elegant system, and understanding it is the first step towards harnessing its power. So in essence, DNA is like the blueprint of your body. And just like any blueprint, it can be used to construct something extraordinary. So let's explore how we can nourish this blueprint, shall we? Now let's dive deeper into the world of essential molecules. Think of your DNA as a blueprint, a guiding force that shapes your health, vitality, and yes, even your youth. But every blueprint needs materials to bring it to life, and that's where nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids come into play. Nucleotides are the building blocks of DNA, like bricks in a building. Each nucleotide is composed of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. And it's the sequence of these bases that determines the genetic information carried in your DNA. On the flip side, we have oligopeptides and amino acids. If nucleotides are the bricks, then imagine these as the mortar holding everything together. Oligopeptides are short chains of amino acids, typically composed of between 2 and 20. They play a crucial role in the body's functions, including hormone regulation and immune responses. Amino acids, the simplest form of proteins, are the superheroes of this story. They are involved in almost every biological process in your body, from building and repairing tissues to making enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. They are, in essence, the raw material that your body uses to maintain its health, strength, and vitality. So, how do these molecules contribute to our youth? Well, it's simple. As we age, our body's ability to produce and utilize these essential molecules decreases. This can lead to a variety of age-related issues, from wrinkles and frailty to more serious health conditions. By ensuring a healthy intake of these essential molecules, we can support our body's natural processes and help maintain our youth and vitality. Just as a well-built house requires quality materials, your DNA needs these essential molecules to function at its best. They are the tiny architects, the unsung heroes that are constantly at work, helping you look and feel younger and healthier. Remember, these molecules are the tiny architects of your DNA and proteins. Imagine DNA and these essential molecules as a perfectly synchronized orchestra. In this grand symphony of life, each player has a critical role to perform. And when everyone strikes the right note at the right moment, the result is a melody of health and vitality. Let's dive deeper into this molecular dance. Picture your DNA as the conductor, guiding and directing the performance. This conductor holds the sheet music for your body's functions, dictating when and how each cell should play its part. It's the blueprint of your life, coding for everything from the color of your eyes to the manner in which your body responds to environmental factors. Now consider the essential molecules, nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, as the orchestra members. Each molecule plays its unique instrument, contributing to the overall symphony. Nucleotides are the building blocks of our DNA and RNA, instrumental in cellular communication. Oligopeptides, on the other hand, play a key role in regulating biological processes, acting as signaling molecules that help the cells in your body communicate and coordinate with each other. And let's not forget the amino acids, the virtuosos of protein synthesis. They're the ones responsible for the repair and growth of our cells, ensuring that our bodies function optimally. When all these molecules play their parts in harmony, under the guidance of the DNA conductor, they create a masterpiece of health and vitality. But what happens when one of the players is out of tune? The melody becomes discordant and can even lead to health issues. This is why it's crucial to nourish our DNA and supply it with the essential molecules it needs to orchestrate the symphony of our bodies effectively. Think of it, every single cell in your body relies on this intricate interplay between DNA and essential molecules. It's a delicate balance, a dance choreographed to the beat of life. When everything is in harmony, the music of health and vitality plays on. So as we delve deeper into the world of DNA and essential molecules, remember this. It's all about harmony and balance in this molecular dance. We know what you're thinking. How can I nourish my DNA? Well, the answer isn't as complex as you might think. Nourishing your DNA isn't about expensive treatments or complex procedures. It's about adopting a lifestyle that supports your DNA's function and longevity. It's about the choices you make every day. Start with a healthy diet. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to maintain and repair your DNA. These foods are rich in antioxidants, which can protect your DNA from damage caused by free radicals. Regular exercise is also crucial. Being physically active can boost your body's natural DNA repair mechanisms. Whether it's walking, jogging, swimming, or lifting weights, any form of exercise can help. Just remember to pick an activity you enjoy so you're more likely to stick with it. Adequate sleep is another vital aspect. During deep sleep, your body works hard to repair and regenerate your cells, including your DNA. Strive for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. And let's not forget about stress management. Chronic stress can have a detrimental effect on your DNA, causing it to age prematurely. So consider incorporating stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as meditation, yoga, or even simple deep breathing exercises. Now, if you're looking for a little extra help in the DNA nourishing department, there's something you might want to consider. It's a product called imuregen. This innovative supplement contains essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, which work synergistically with your DNA. By providing your body with these crucial elements, imuregen can support your DNA's health and stability. Remember, your DNA is the blueprint of your body. Taking care of it means taking care of your overall health. So make the right choices today to support your DNA and in turn support a healthier, younger-looking you. It's never too late to start taking care of your DNA. Let's summarize what we've learned today. Our DNA plays a vital role in our overall health, dictating our body's processes and influencing how we age. It's our genetic command center, and by nourishing it properly, we can unlock its potential to maintain our youthful vitality. We delved into the importance of essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. These aren't just fancy scientific terms. They're the building blocks that our DNA uses to function optimally. Like a well-oiled machine, our bodies need these resources to stay in tip-top shape. We also explored the synergy between our DNA and these essential molecules. It's a dance of sorts, where each partner knows their part and performs in perfect harmony. This balance, this synergy, is what allows us to thrive, to feel younger, and stay healthier for longer. And finally, we discussed how to nourish our DNA. It's not a secret formula or a magic potion. It's about making conscious choices that provide our bodies with the nutrients they need. And remember, it's not just about the quantity, but also the quality of these nutrients. Thank you for joining us today to understand and nourish your DNA. Check the description below for more information about imuregen. Keep nourishing your DNA. Till next time.